Hi there, Starting Points class. This is your week 2 homework video. So remember that you don't need to be doing the answers in difficult days stuff. We don't use that book in this class, so just skip those pages. So you do need to do the Know What You Believe chapters 2 and 5 book work this week. It's pretty self-explanatory. Remember, if they don't ask a specific question but they just give a word or a phrase, write down some comments about that. As you go through, so on page 25 it says be sure to include new vocabulary words in your syllabus, or on pages 478 to 479 of your syllabus. You don't need to do that. I would encourage you, anytime you encounter a vocabulary word you don't know the meaning of, you should look it up, you should get it defined, make it a part of your vocabulary, but you don't need to do that book thing. Alright, pages 26 and 27 are pretty straightforward in terms of questions and in what you need to do there. On the bottom of page 27 it says stop, thank God for who He is, and ask Him to reveal more of Himself to you. When it has this stuff in the bold that says to do something, do that. It's good stuff. Praying's good. Alright, okay. So on page 28 you have the, at least on my page 28 of my book that's falling apart, you have the Heart of God, where it says God at the top, and then it says list the characteristics on one side, and then give specific examples from the Bible. You do need to fill in that chart, but where it says write a paragraph, you don't need to do that yet. That's going to be part of our worldview paper that we're going to do. So you're going to use some of this information to help write that paper, but you don't need to write a paragraph yet. Just fill in the chart. But do fill it in well and give references for the verses you use. Okay, remember we skipped the answers for difficult days, so you're skipping a few pages there. Alright, and then we also do chapter 5 this week, which is Man and Sin. Chapter 5 of Know What You Believe, that is. So be sure to go through and answer those questions and make notes on the topics. And then when you get to page 36, it's the same thing. You need to fill in the chart, but you don't need to write a paragraph yet. You also need to do American Republic, chapter 2, and then you'll be done for the week. Next week we will get into Know What You Believe, chapters 3 and 4. Alright? Remember, there will be an American Republic quiz at the end of September, so be sure that as you are reading those, you're paying attention. Be sure to fill in the reading logs this week also. Thanks, guys. Bye.